Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve Windows 11 activation problems or common problems you're having on your Windows 11 computer. So this has to do with the product key activation if you're having an issue and you have a legitimate license or you're actually running Windows 11 from an upgrade from Windows 10 and you qualified. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to troubleshoot that. So this is not going to feature any sort of modifications that are not approved by Microsoft. This is all straight by the book here. So there is no gray area. We're just showing you guys how to go about troubleshooting common problems you may be having with the activation of your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, computer. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward process, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search icon, search for settings, best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go on the right side underneath system, just scroll down to activation. Go ahead and left click on that. Now activation state, it should tell you if you're activated or not. And if you need to activate, there'd be an option to insert a key at this point, so you could go ahead and select that. And there's also an option to change the product key. So if you select change, you can go ahead and actually change your product key by entering it in here. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.